Welcome back to another My Deal Staff. Today we'll be unboxing the Tenniix Basic AI Ball Machine in mint white. Alright, here we go. We're going to open it up. We're opening it up together, like if you were to buy it and get it shipped to your house online. I got this in, believe it or not, 5 days. Less than 5 business days I received this machine. People said they were waiting months. Maybe that was during the startup process. That's the manual. The manual is in Chinese and English. I flipped to the Chinese side, of course, on accident first. I was like, is it all Chinese? But I eventually found the English side. I was like, okay, that's cool. So that's the manual. Okay, that's the power cable. Part of the power cable, the side that goes into the utility power in the wall. That's the power adapter. The other side, the cylinder side, is the one that will plug into the machine. I'll show you that later. Actually, into the battery. Plugs into the battery. That's the little voice band. That's pretty cool. You'll put that on your arm and you can talk to the Tenniix Basic machine remotely. That there is the little USB to USB-C cable that you can use to charge the little voice band. All right, let's try and pull this out carefully. The strap is already on the machine. You don't have to install it, which is nice. I'm checking for extras, seeing if they gave any goodies in here, but it's quite a simple packaging. That's all that's in there, but that's okay. Battery already installed in the device, as you see it right there down below where it says battery. Let's flip this around. Careful. That's where the balls come out. That's why it's got the little caution sign there. Let's move this around. Just keep going. You'll see there, it says Tenniix. That right there is an upgrade module for when you add extra things. Possibly, I don't know why it's on the side like that. I don't know if that's it wouldn't make sense to be the AI vision module. I would think that would need to be mounted on the front. That may have something to do with the wheel module that goes on the bottom. Yet to be determined. Anyhow, that right there you see is the strap. That's the handle. This thing is relatively lightweight. I am impressed because I've used ball machines that were look like, mini fridges. They were heavy. That's the battery compartment. Click the button. It pops out. Way easy. No problem. The power block adapter will plug right into the battery. So it doesn't plug into the module itself. It actually plugs directly into the battery. The battery brick, it will be red while it's charging. It will turn green once it's done charging. The runtime, anywhere from 2 to 4 hours roughly, depending on what your settings are. If you're working it really hard, it might only be 2 or 3 hours. But supposedly, if you're just running it on, I don't know, if you're running it maybe at lower speed, you might get 4 hours. You might get a little bit over, but just say ballpark 2 to 4 hours. Those are the feet. You want to set those up when you set the Tenniix, down to actually play. I'll move it in a moment and you'll see all the feet flip out quite easy. There it is. All right, just keep moving this guy around. Now we're going to flip out the little panels where the balls go in. Like right now it's in a nice compact size, but in order for it to have a ball tray, you will pop out all these 4 panels. Don't worry, that front LCD panel is quite sturdy. It's quite strong when you pull it off. So you use a little bit of pressure. You're not going to break it. You're going to pop that up just like I did. It'll have a little snap to it. But all the other panels, they're rather quiet and it's quite easy. I sped this part up because it's quite boring. You just pop out the panels in reverse order. So when you're opening it, it's steps 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're going to close it all up, which you'll see in just a moment, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see there. Let's speed this part up too because it's kind of boring. Then click that down. Bam. Snaps into place. There you have it. Tenniix ball machine. Basic edition. No AI eyes, no ground wheelie thing that moves the machine around. So this is just the basic model. This is what you can buy literally today and have it to your house in 3 to 7 business days. No doubt. Anyhow, on the next video, hopefully sometime soon, I'll show you this thing in action.
My Deal Stash.